Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to change chat wallpaper in WhatsApp in iPhone. If you want to change a specific chat wallpaper, then open the chat, tap on the chat name, tap on wallpaper and sound, tap on choose a new wallpaper and select a category and now select a wallpaper from this list. Tap on set and that's how you will be able to change a specific chat wallpaper. And if you want to change all of your WhatsApp chats wallpaper, then go to your settings, tap on chats, tap on chat wallpaper, and from this list you can select any wallpaper. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.